WorkRoster is online and mobile software that helps employees access and respond to their work rosters. You may have received an email from your shift manager at work with a request to connect to your workforce and its rosters on WorkRoster. Follow the invite link to create a WorkRoster user account for yourself. Once you've created and activated your account, you'll have access to the WorkRoster system. If you already have a WorkRoster account, then you can use the job invite code from the invitation email in the Add New Job form. On the WorkRoster homepage, you'll see a list of your upcoming shifts. On the Work page, you'll see your workforce roster or rosters. Depending on the settings chosen by your managers, on the roster you'll see only your shifts, or maybe all shifts, but only showing the assignments on your own shifts, or maybe all shifts and all assignments. Again, depending on the settings chosen by your managers, on the roster you might see just confirmed shifts to which the managers probably won't make any more changes, or a mix of confirmed shifts and draft shifts which are still being planned. If your workforce is using the availability feature, then on the roster view you can update your availability by clicking the availability buttons in each day row. Or in each week row. If your workforce is using the shift interest feature, then you can mark your interest as willing on shifts you are not yet assigned to. If your workforce is using the shift agreement feature, then you can mark accept for your upcoming shifts from the homepage. Or you can accept on your future shifts on the work page by clicking the controls in the shift details box that appears above each shift. From the roster view, you can print out a PDF copy of the roster or email it to yourself. You can also check the contact information of your managers. You might be able to see the contact information of your fellow employees, but this depends on the WorkRoster settings chosen by them and by your managers. The best way for employees to access WorkRoster is to install the WorkRoster mobile app on their phone. The WorkRoster app allows you to view your upcoming shifts, set availability, set interest, set agreements, and read and respond to memos. Search for WorkRoster in your App Store. You can also access the WorkRoster mobile site on your phone or tablet. Please see all of our other videos and documentation on the help page to get a full understanding of the WorkRoster system. Thank you.